do that. That's your dog, man. That's your dog.
Would you mess with that? Seriously.
Hell no.
If he tried to you just say, okay, let him do it.
That tail. You are such an antagonizer. My dog has a bark, okay? What are you doing?
Oh, he's humping the air. He's humping Buddy's back leg.
Look at his pig.
Oh! Hey! He's humping Buddy's leg. Look at his pig! That's the funniest thing I've ever seen a dog do. Giving a blowjob and jerking off what you're doing.
Oh, God.
Get Buddy. Get Buddy. Get
David, I have a gay dog.
Buddy. A gay dog that likes rats.
Yeah. Oh no! Oh my God! Wait, penis?
Okay.
Well, your dog just turned my dog gay by picking him up the ass.
He didn't do it.
Look! Oh my goodness!
It's very homoerotic. But he's having fun.
Get him! No! Stop it!
Alright,
I mean, I can't
okay,
see.
my turn.
Oh my God!
That's so weird.
That's really awkward.
He's probably hitting doggy pee very hard.
I think he is. I really.
I'm surprised he's not focusing on the female.
Oh.
He's going through that confusion stage.
Goodness. And Buddy goes, oh my God! Look how muffled it is.
He was standing up on him.
I saw that.
He's gonna sleep good tonight.
Yeah, he is. No, man.
That's fine, buddy. If the dog seriously goes at him, Buddy will
Oh my God.
take it easy.
Oh God. This is so nasty. I'm gonna get in trouble. This is doggy porn. I'm gonna get arrested. Don't be surprised if I call you for my bail.
That is so weird.
Sweetheart.
I've never seen a dog do that.
Why do I always get the weird ones?
You know, I mean, I've seen a dog. They often lick each other there, but I've never seen one do it while humping.
Why do I
as
get
much
the
as he
weird
does.
ones? What? In the face. In the face. Look at you enjoying that.
Buddy's going, why are you aroused?
Is your penis out? There we go. I love it. He lays like that all the time.
He's probably got a little dog mixed with him. Not a little dog, but a medium-sized dog in him, because most big dogs Buddy size don't do that. Because it hurts.
He like just, it seems natural for him. I mean,
It is.
yeah.
Back to it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You know what? I'm not going to stop you.
But he has a red collar too.
Get him. You tell him to.
See, he's been waiting for this because he wants to play rough so bad, and I'm like,
Look.
no.
Look.
God, hump the flow. No.
He gets so mad when you try.
What does that cry for?
He's just excited.
Oh. Very. Yucky.
What's he doing now?
I don't know.
He's not licking anything. He's like licking Buddy's belly.
Look. Is Buddy licking him too? No, he's just sniffing him.
What is he doing?
His penis is out.
Yeah.
Your penis is out. You're aroused. Yucky.
Oh.
Ew.
Well, like I said, they do lick there because they can taste hormones in it. But like I said, I've never seen them do it quite so much.
Yucky.